Hey everyone. Okay, so I've got one of the Singer knitting machines here. This is just a tiny one. Now, I have people ask me sometimes where I find my looms, how I get them, different things like that. Now, actually, I do have some companies that do send me looms, but most of my looms I get from either yard sales or thrift shops. This one, in the box still, my husband got from a thrift shop down the road. It's actually a thrift shop I never walked into because I promise you guys, this place looks like it's in a building that is about to fall over. The whole building is leaning. It looks like a long time ago it used to be a little convenience store or something. And instead of demolishing it and condemning it, someone has turned it into a little thrift shop. So I've never actually been in it. Well, he stopped in on his way home from work one day and got me this. And it was new in the box for $1. $1. And all the hooks seem to work. I haven't noticed any issue with it. Now, I haven't really tried to hook it up and use it, but it even comes with the directions, and that's really nice. Lots of times you find these things and they don't come with directions or anything. So do be mindful when you are out running around. Check your Goodwills and your thrift shops and stop at yard sales, because you never know what you're going to find. Now, as far as, now this is more of an unboxing, I'll say, because I haven't used this yet. So as far as how good they work, I cannot really give you an answer to that. It might be a good one for kids, especially for $1. It was absolutely worth $1. And it kind of has a handle the way it's made, so that's kind of neat. Now, the ones I've dealt with before had legs on them. This one doesn't have legs. It hooks like this, and you just hold it up and spins. So that's a little different than what I'm used to. And there's your tensioner right there. But that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you guys you can find really good things in unusual places. So check out your thrift shops, check out yard sales, go to auctions. You never know what you're going to find.